Do you want to create a bass like this? Or what about a bass like this? Well, now you can with Mighty, which features 40 house-based Serum presets guaranteed to make your tracks bigger, better, and more pro. And with all the different house genres still blowing up, your bass is by far the single most important sound in your track. It's what everyone latches onto at festivals, clubs, or even just driving around with friends. These incredible bass sounds are the main reason why some artists are experiencing success right now. Artists like John Summit and his track Deep End, or Matroda and his track Forget It, or Side Piece and their track On My Mind. The list continues with huge genre-defining house tracks from artists like Fisher, Rufus Du Sol, and Loud Luxury. The power of Mighty is that everything you need is right there. With 40 insane mix-ready bass sounds, you'll have a huge arsenal of go-to bass sounds no matter the type of house music you're making. We've utilized every major feature of Serum to maximize how many sound variations are possible with Mighty. Every preset has various macros you can automate to create insane variations of each patch. Every preset utilizes the amazing character of the filters within Serum to make the sounds feel more analog, saturated, and ready to shake your walls. Every preset has meticulously thought out effect racks that shape the sound so you can drop them directly into a mix. No need to spend hours of time processing and beefing up your bass. And what's so powerful about these bass presets in Mighty is that they are all designed to make layering easy. Stacking 1, 2, or 3 of these patches can give you that powerful, one-of-a-kind bass for your next track. If you want to hear more examples from Mighty, be sure to click here and scope out our website. Mighty is just $37 for a limited time, so don't sleep on this. So what are you waiting for? Jump in and pick up your copy of Mighty today.